Welcome to High and Inside, which is not just the name of our show, but also how our writers prefer to watch sports. Kobe Bryant, he's an amazing basketball player and a horrible teammate. This guy scared Shaq out of LA. So you can imagine how welcoming he was to the three new guys coming in. Here's their answer when asked if Kobe had welcomed them to the team in any way. And do you know who those guys were? Neither does Kobe. There was an alarming incident this year involving race leader Chris Froome. Well, here, I'll let him tell you what happened.
A fan threw a pot of urine at me whilst shouting, "Dope," and that, it's not acceptable.
Yeah, it's not acceptable to throw a pot of urine at a racer. It's not nice. It's not done.
Before we crucify this guy, let's take a moment to admire the athletic prowess needed in order to perfect this perfect pinpoint piss pitch. Let me show you outside. I've been preparing for this all day.
Is that beer?
Dave, I drank 6 beers and then I did 6 urines. I'm about to get science. Super! This is my chance. Oh, goes the dynamite! Hello! Oh, it's coming back. He's coming back. Back to you, Dave. Back
Lori Elliott. She is not supposed to be drinking.
I am here live at Kabaddi. We're going to meet some of the players, Dave. We're going to talk to some of those athletes. We're going to meet some of the spectators, the rich ones in the shade and the poor ones in the stands. Wow, wow. Can I try that, or? If you want. Okay, I want the big guy. Is that a unicorn? I'm here with the winning Kabaddi team. Did you score any points today?
Yeah, I did.
How many points did you score?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
Yeah, you know how many points you scored.
No, I don't keep track.
Don't shit me. You know how many points. How many points do you think you scored?
I don't know. Maybe like.
Okay, watch this. How many points did you score?
10.
10. See what happened right there? See how he told the truth and you lied.
You need help, my brother.
But you've had, not anymore. I'm doing very well. I'm doing very well, thank you.
Could I tell you about my situation?
Yes. Well, look, we're here to talk about me. But if you feel we got to go on about you again, sure.
No,
One story I was trying to tell, but fine. Here's another Lennox story, everybody. Get
When I was 7.
Do you get the itch? Do you want to fight? What do when you're around the hype?
I only fight over parking spaces now.
Just So everybody run to your cars and go move your cars before we unleash the lion.